to do a little unboxing of some Easter candy. This is a collab with Isabella from The Learning Ladder and her daughter. And so we sent each other boxes of candy from our country. So we sent her a box of candy from the United States and they sent us a box of candy from the UK. So we're gonna dig right in and see what is in here. Okay, are you guys excited?
Yes!
All right.
Presents.
And it looks like presents, yeah. It says, enjoy eating Big Ben. You want to open that one up?
What's Big Ben? I know Big Ben. Wait,
Tell us what Big Ben is.
Candy, candy, candy. Careful.
Yeah, like the big clock, yeah?
Careful.
Okay.
It's like Sour Patch Kids. I think it's chocolate.
Let's do it.
I think it's chocolate. Gummy bears! Gummy cars! The gummy cars!
Oh! Yeah! Oh my gosh, how cute!
I wanted the... There's a Big Ben
Oh, that's cute. Okay, so let's try
I want
these
a
little
red
gummies.
one.
These are so cute. Oh, how cute! Oh my
They're
gosh!
kind of hard.
I'm gonna taste them. Oh my gosh.
I think there is a Big
There
Ben
is
one.
8 Big Ben.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
What's Big Ben?
It's
Should you have fun? This guy?
this one right here.
Ew.
Mm.
It's huge cock. I don't know what like that.
You don't like it? Oh, I like it.
I do. I like it.
It's good.
It's not too sugary or anything, but it's good. It's
It kind
of tastes like Sour Patch Kids. Yeah. It's too bitter.
For the non-tea fans, Cadbury style. These are really good.
No. What is that? Whoa. These look so good. They're hot chocolate bars, I think. Whoa, I can eat it one.
Oh!
The mustard.
It's hot chocolate. No, it's hot chocolate mix.
We should make it, Mom.
That is so fun. Oh my gosh. We will make it.
This actually looks really good.
Yeah, it does.
It does. I like
Strawberry
tea though, so I wish
chocolate.
you sent us tea. Cause I like okay.
You want some more of these guys?
Yeah. No. I do.
Try a different one? Try the orange one.
No.
Maybe you like it.
Ooh. Do I taste this? Was there no? This one, no. There isn't. Ooh, these actually look really good. They're raspberry and coconut ruffles.
Ooh.
Like, I might not like them because I don't really like coconut. I'm assuming they're like truffles. I don't really like coconut, so I might not like them.
Raspberry flavored coconut fondant covered with dark chocolate. Let's see. You guys want to try them? Oh, they're like individually wrapped.
Oh, that's cool.
Cool.
Oh, look at these. I like these packages. So pretty.
Packaging is cute.
I
I forgot to show them hot chocolate. I think it's actually good. It's got a little bouncy ball.
They match my shirt.
They do match your shirt.
Oh, that's cool. Ruffle, I mean. Well, two.
That's cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, what a new idea to package them up.
I know.
Okay,
So
Julia,
it's like surprise.
we should have done that.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that. Okay.
Oh, gummies. Can you help? Okay. Ooh, gummy pigs.
Let's see.
Gummy pigs.
Percy Pig meets the Easter Bunny. Oh my gosh, how cute! That's so cute.
I took these two.
Oh my gosh.
Percy Pig meets the Easter Bunny.
You want to try this one, baby cakes?
Yeah, I want to try it too.
Okay.
Because of gummies.
They are
I'll try
gummies.
some.
Oh my gosh, you want the pig or the Easter Bunny? Look how, whoops, let me show. Look how cute. We got a little pig and a little Easter Bunny.
I think I want the Easter Bunny.
You want the pig?
Yeah. That one?
Mm-hmm.
This smells really good, actually.
Oh, there's like different ones. There's a little, I think, is that a duck?
They're gummies. This is so good. They're like Mommy, I like the orange. I like the orange egg.
You like the orange?
Mom, like the stripes.
Oh, Patty, look at this. Make these for afternoon tea.
What is this? Can I open the long one? Can I open the long one?
Yeah, after she opens that
I'm
one.
going to drink all this tea. Can I open this one?
Hold on.
Whoa. Bacon.
Ooh, scone mix.
Ooh.
Ooh.
So it's not tea, but it's scone mix.
Delicious with cream and those do look delicious. Oh my gosh, how fun!
Can I have this box?
This is,
I won't open this one.
oh, I think maybe that's tea. I don't know. Add hot water and serve with milk and sugar to taste.
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I wait? Can I open one? Can I open this one?
Yep, hold on.
Wait, it's hard. I can't even break it. Oh. Those are
Mom,
you want to like
this one is hot.
These look weird. Oh, they're
Cookies.
Jammy Dodgers Gooey Apple Slime Edition.
Sorry, we can't eat those.
Let's not eat all the treats right now because I have an idea that I think we need to have some poetry.
tea time.
Yeah, poetry tea time with our treats.
Maybe with Haley and Tess too.
That'd be fun. Okay, so you guys wanna?
Yeah, I want to
these
try
are
one.
cute.
This is like perfect for poetry tea time. We can actually have tea now.
We never actually have tea with poetry tea time. Yeah, and we can make the scones for poetry tea time. Won't that be fun?
No, I don't want one. And we can make hot cocoa.
Yeah, hot cocoa and tea. Oh, those are cute.
If Haley and Tess will come down, they have little stuff inside.
Yeah, you want to eat it?
We'll see.
Want to share it with me?
No, I don't want one. I want to open this.
Okay.
I'll open the last one. So,
These are good.
open.
It's equally fair. This one's probably.
I can open the last one.
Okay.
This one feels like tea.
This is hot candy.
You can go next.
With nuts.
No.
You say? Ooh, yum.
The same. Ooh, Cadbury mini eggs.
And then
Cadbury.
chocolate.
Mm.
Oh.
They're mini ones.
Cadbury eggs are good.
I wonder if they have like the same middle.
Yeah.
Oh,
those are so
they're
cute.
cute.
They're like look like actual eggs. Some eggs look like this.
You want it?
I don't want it.
You don't want it?
Oh, no. I saw you try to put off the skin.
They're like chocolate the whole way through. Okay,
Okay.
Abby, you want to open that one? Hold on. Let Abby.
She wanted me to go next.
Oh, okay.
I love opening these because they're like wrapping, like opening a present.
Like on Christmas morning.
Ooh.
We should have done that for her.
Let's see.
They look good.
Ooh, dairy milk, little bars.
Oh, that sounds.
Ooh, that's cute.
I yum it. It's so good.
Don't you think?
Do you want one? There's 6 of them, so you want one now and then one for poetry tea time?
Yeah.
We got 2 for poetry.
Or actually, we'll split them in half. Because
Okay.
that way Haley and Tess can have some too. You want? Okay. Here.
Poetry tea time today.
Bless you. Probably not today, but sometime this week.
Like Thursday.
Maybe.
Class would be a good time.
This is chocolate.
Mm.
It's kind of
Oh,
nice.
it's based on the normal chocolate.
What do you guys say?
Thank you. Wait, hold on. I'll have some.
Oh, got one more.
Tea.
Ooh.
I wonder what tea it is. I don't know what tea it is.
I don't know if I can't smell it or it just doesn't smell.
That's green tea.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure it's
I
black
can't
tea.
smell it at all.
It's black tea or green tea.
Because she had COVID.
How do you?
She's fine.
Okay, we'll leave it in there until we make it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I have some more of this?
No, not right now.
Nah.
All right, what do you guys say?
Thank you.
Thank you. We love our treats. All right, everybody, so go check out Isabella's video. I'm going to link it down below so you can see the treats that we sent them. This was such a fun collaboration. It's like Universal Yums on steroids, so this is awesome. All right, thanks so much, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.